Whether it's losing a job or isolating from loved ones, COVID-19 has led to many challenges, especially for our mental health. A Delray beach business is helping people cope with the pressures of the pandemic. Fox 29's Sabirah Rayford shows you how it helped one man get his life back on track.
Inside Restore Hyper Wellness in Delray Beach.
All right, Rob.
The pressure is on.
Pain is never okay.
Lately,
You want me to turn the oxygen on?
Robertson is breathing easier.
I've been going through a health journey, this year, like a lot of people have. Yeah, I'd say so.
For the financial advisor and yoga studio owner, it started in March.
I started to notice that I had a lot more anxiety than I ever had. Combination of a lot of factors. The stock market was very volatile.
For months, he lost sleep and began losing patience.
At the end of June, I was really searching for how to fix myself.
That's when he found Restore Hyper Wellness.
This is our compression therapy room.
Joel Gona is one of the owners. He says the goal is to offer alternative therapy for people dealing with stress or anxiety.
The lights are equipped to help you with anything specifically your body's looking to accomplish today.
Joel says after a 30-minute treatment in the sauna, you'll instantly feel more relaxed and rejuvenated.
Prevention, prevention, prevention.
Jade Gona is a partner in the business and a registered nurse.
So you have two kinds of red light. You have red light and near infrared light.
Red light therapy is very good for mitochondrial health. It helps with deep down into your cells. It's very good for joint lubrication, sleep, anxiety, depression.
She says they've had an increase of customers during the pandemic. In 2 weeks, they're opening a second location in Palm Beach Gardens. Now, this holiday season, they want to pay it forward to those on the front lines of the COVID-19 battle.
Anyone that walks through the door that's a healthcare worker automatically gets 20% off of whatever they want.
This place definitely helped me a lot.
Sabirah Rayford, Fox 29 News.